Yes, ma'am, we are ready.
You're ready. Okay, fine. Good. Nice to see the thumbs. Okay. Good morning, students. Once again, I hope everybody are there now. Everyone will keep your videos on. Sit straight. Okay. Don't lean. Good. Fine. Today we'll be starting with the chapter fun with magnet. Now, as we will be, I'll show you a few magnets over here. I'll show you the demonstration. Okay. And then few questions will be asked based on this chapter. Whatever the topic will be taught now will be asked at the end. Shrenik, I hope you're attentive here, my dear child. Shrenik. Shrenik, my dear. Yes. No talking. So you have to be, yes, attend here. Listen. Today we'll see about fun with magnet. In this chapter, we are going to see about what are the different types of magnets, what are the properties of magnets, right? So these 2 points will be covered today. Now, actually, how the magnet was being found. How the magnet was being found. Magnet actually, when a shepherd had found out the magnet, isn't it? He was having a stick within his hand, which was having a metal knob in the front. When he was going for, when he was with the shepherds, he used to hit on the rock. So when he was started hitting on the rock, what did he find? He found that his stick was being stuck on the rock and it was being not removed easily. So he thought, what is now? Why this happens? Why the stick is not getting removed so easily? So when he came to know that that rock is nothing but a magnet. Okay, so there are 2 types of magnets. One is artificial magnet. I hope everybody are attentive. No videos are off. At the end, I'll be asking you the questions. So please keep your videos on. Saksham, I can find your videos off. Please make sure your video is on. Right. So there are 2 types of magnets, my dear children. One is man-made, that is artificial magnet, we call it as. Artificial magnets are nothing but man-made magnets, and the natural magnet. Natural magnet is nothing but the magnets which we find it on the by rocks, isn't it? There is no definite shape for it. But if you take the artificial magnets, or what do you call it as like man-made magnets, they have the shapes, right? So there are different shapes of magnets. What are the different shapes of magnets? The different shapes of magnets are nothing but a bar-shaped magnet, okay, a bar-shaped magnet, horseshoe magnet. So why it is called as horseshoe magnet? Any idea? Any child? Any child can give answer on this? Yes, I can see. Very good. Okay, fine. Let's go with Shantanu. Shantanu, can you explain why it is called as an horseshoe magnet?
Ma'am, because horseshoe is designed like this magnet, so it is called a horseshoe magnet.
Good. So yes, good, my dear child. So a good answer. So let's give a clap for the child. Now here you can see, actually you must have known about in the olden days, in front of the house, घोड्याची नाळ आपण असं म्हणतो, right? You must have heard from your grandma, grandpas, चौकडीला पण लावलेले असतात, उंबऱ्यावरती लावलेले असतात, but nowadays we can't see, right? So that is actually in the shape of this horseshoe. So that's why it's called as a horseshoe magnet. Okay, there are other different magnets, my dear children, dumbbell magnets, or we can call it as a ball-ended magnet. What do you call as dumbbell magnet? Do you remember your sports instrument of dumbbell? Yes, we people lift the dumbbells while doing yogas and other things, isn't it? So that is called as a dumbbell magnet. So there are different magnets which are being artificial, which are being made by man. Okay, now let's move on to the properties now. Now, if you take a magnet, how many of them love to play with a magnet? It happens, you know, many times you people bring small magnets in the bag. If the ma'am is not there in the class, you just remove it, stick it to the chair, stick on some other thing. Isn't it? If it falls down, you act like, ha, mujhe kuch pata nahi. It happens, right? So that means you play like attracting it, isn't it? So magnets attract Does it attract all the material? Okay, when you stick to the chair when your friend is sitting, does it get attracted? It gets stuck to that. Yes, but in the same way, if you get an eraser or if you get a pen with you, will it get attracted? No, it will not get attracted, right? So what is that actually? It's actually non-magnetic substances. So dear students, Bhavi, I hope you are there in your place, my dear child. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Which get attracted to the magnet are called as magnetic substances. Okay. So here I would like to show you one thing, dear kids. Just give me a minute. Okay. I'll show you a thing. Yes. Now I'm going to, yes, you can see here. Just give me a second, please. Now you can see what are this? What are these?
Nails.
Nails? Pins?
Ma'am,
Right?
Yes.
Pins.
Ma'am,
Okay. Now this is a magnet where I'm going to just, can you see what is happening here? Can you see the pins are being lifted?
Ma'am,
Can you see this?
Ma'am,
Yes, it's getting attracted, right? So here no chorus answers, no chorus. So you can see here the magnet attracts the magnetic substances. So we can say that these pins are magnetic substances. So by this way, we can find out the substance, whether it is magnetic or non-magnetic substance. So from this, what did you understand, children? The substances which get attracted by the magnets, they are called as magnetic substances, right? Now, I would rather like to take, okay, I hope everybody are able to see this. I have take a plastic lid, okay, a plastic lid. Now, what I'm going to do is, again, I have kept a plastic lid on my paper, okay? Now, what happens? Is it getting attracted? It's not getting attracted.
No, ma'am.
It's not getting attracted. No, ma'am. So what do you understand from this? These are non-magnetic substances. The substances which do not attract by the magnet, they are non-magnetic substances. The substance which get attracted by the magnet, they are called as magnetic substances. Hope you all understood this. May I know the thumbs? Those who have understood? Very good. Good. Okay. Now, if you take a magnet, okay, I'll just bring it closer to everyone. I hope you can see N and S on this. Is it visible? Yes. So what is this N?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this S? N is nothing but a north pole and S means it's a south pole. Okay. So magnets, they have two poles. They are north pole and south pole. Now, dear students, can you imagine when the pins were being attracted, where they were attracted? Were they attracted in the here or they were attracted on the sides? Any one of you, just raise your hands. Raise your hands. Wonderful. Can I go with Bhumi? Yes, Bhumi.
Ma'am, sides.
On the sides. Very good. So this was being attracted on the sides. Wonderful answer. Sides in the sense, what you have to say, they are nothing but the poles. So the magnetic substances get attracted towards the poles. Okay. Now, why does it get attracted to the poles? Why does it get attracted towards the pole? Because they have the attracting power. Okay. Poles have more attracting power compared to the middle. Hope you're very much clear in this. Okay. Now,
Yes.
Suppose example, is this a magnetic substance or non-magnetic? I don't know. I don't know this is magnetic or non-magnetic. Let's see now. what it is happening? Is it getting attracted?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, it's getting attracted. So now I can say that these keys are
Ma'am.
as a magnetic substances. Okay, I hope you all understood this. Okay, now let's move on to, dear kids, these magnets. Okay, a bar magnet is even used to find out the directions. Actually, there is a mariner compass which will be I will be teaching you in the next class. But right now, I'll tell you how to find out the direction by using this bar magnet. Okay, how to find out the direction by using the bar magnet. Yes, let me just move on to the experiment. I'll be showing you people. Now, I have, okay, this is a tripod stand. 1 minute. Okay, this is the stand. I hope it's visible. Right? Yes. Now what I'm going to do is, I have took a thread. Right? Now I'm going to tie it over here. Yes. Fine. Now, when I tie this thread, nobody will shake the camera. I hope students are attentive here. Why the videos are off once again? I can find the children keeping the videos off. It should not happen. Omkar Atharva Gonkar, kindly please on your video. Yes. Now you can you see I have, just a minute. You can just see over here. Okay. Can you see that? I'll adjust it. Yes. I hope the magnet is visible now, right? Yes. Good.
Yes.
Now this is the magnet which I have been suspended. Right. I have suspended the magnet now. Now, when I see the magnet, okay, I can find North Pole is facing this side and South Pole is facing towards that side, right? Now, when it comes in a still position, okay, now I'm going to just rotate the magnet and I have left. Okay, otherwise I have to just move it from the place. It will start moving. Okay, it will start moving. It has got attracted there. 1 minute. Okay. Again, when it comes back to the rest position, you can find the magnet has shown the same direction. Can you see this? Not the side, again the south, that side? Yes. So from this, what did we understand? That we can find the direction though the magnet has been moved. Okay. Though the magnet has been disturbed from its own place, after its rotation, it comes back to its own main position. It comes back to its original position where it can show the North Pole and the South Pole as it was showing in the beginning. Okay, cleared? Yes, so be ready for the questions at the end. Getting, yes. So this is what the we can find out the directions, right? Now, I would like to just, yes, just a minute. I'll just show you this once again. Now, so what are the things, dear students, we all have seen right now? We have seen two types of magnets, that is artificial magnet. So this comes under artificial magnet, horseshoe magnet, ball-ended magnet, bar magnet. So all these magnets come under the artificial magnet, and man-made magnets are the natural rocks. Okay. So in this, what we have seen magnetic substances, that is attraction. Yes, the power of attraction we have seen. Like plastic, wood. What do you mean by this? Plastic and wood. Will it get attracted? Raise your hands, please. Okay. Prarabdha. Can I go with Prarabdha? Yes, Prarabdha, my dear. Will wood and plastic, will it get attracted?
No, ma'am.
No. So what kind of material is it? What kind of material is it?
Ma'am, it is non-magnetic.
Wonderful. So it is a non-magnetic substance. Very good. So Arya Kadam. If I take out,
Yes, ma'am.
what will happen?
Ma'am, the magnet
Attracted.
will stick attracted.
It will get attracted. Dear students, don't use the word stick. Okay, fine. It's okay. It gets stuck. Okay, it gets stuck. No issue. But stuck in the sense, it has some different meaning, right? For magnetic, you use the word getting attracted. Now, Atharva beta, please sit straight. Sit straight. Good, my dear child. Good. Siddhi, I hope the camera will be on. Okay, fine. Now here, when this magnet, now we have seen the property of attraction. Yes, magnets have two poles. What are the two poles? Gauri Magdum, can you please tell? What are the two different poles we have seen?
Ma'am, the two different poles are North Pole and South Pole.
Wonderful. It is North Pole and South Pole. Very good. So now, when I would like to show you next one as attraction and repulsion. What do you mean by attraction and repulsion? Attraction you have understood now. What is repulsion? Repel. Repelling in the sense moving away from each other. Okay. Repel means moving from each other, moving away from each other. Shrenik, just have a smile. Drop down your hand. Good. Now, I have to do bar magnets. Okay. I'll bring a bit closer to you people. Yes. I have brought it closer to you people. Okay. Now, here you can see North Pole, South Pole. In this magnet too, you can see this side. Can I go with Bhavi? Bhavi, can you please tell me what is this pole? Here, which pole is shown? Which I am showing?
Ma'am, South Pole.
Very good. South Pole. And this side is a?
North Pole.
North Pole. Very good. Now, what I am going to do is, I'm going to just keep a magnet here. Okay. I have kept a magnet here now. Just a minute. Yes. Okay. I have placed a magnet here. Right? Now, this side is a North Pole. This side is a South Pole. I have took another bar magnet. Okay. I have took another bar magnet. Now, I'm going to bring here. Which pole is this, Tirtha Pare?
Ma'am, it is South Pole.
South Pole. And what did I tell you? This side it's a North Pole. Okay. Now I'm bringing North Pole near to the South Pole. Understood what happened here? I'll just repeat it.
Magnet attracts.
Listen, this is a magnet. Dear students, try to understand. The question will be there. Okay. This is the magnet. Okay. South Pole. Here I'm bringing bit closer. I'm not getting, see, I'm not sticking it. Okay. Just see. Yes. Can you hear the sound bit? Yes. So it got attracted. But which poles were they? Srinidhi, which poles which they got attracted?
Ma'am, there were unlike poles which got attracted.
Very good. Why did you say it's unlike pole? What were they? Name them. Name them.
North Pole and South Pole.
Very good. North Pole and South Pole. So there were two different poles. Yes. So here two different poles are called as an unlike poles. So what did you understand here? Unlike poles attract each other. Unlike poles attract each other. Now, the same magnet, I'm not going to change the position. I'm not going to change the position. Same north, same south. The magnet which I am going to hold it in my hand. Okay. The magnet which I'm going to hold it in my hand. I can find it out. This is a North Pole. Okay. Now, here the North Pole is there. This is also a North Pole. Can you see? Can you see the way of it is getting up and down? I'm not moving it. Can you see the paper is getting bit of moved backside? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It is.
I'll repeat it. I'll repeat it. Please watch the paper. Watch the paper. Okay. How does it move? I'm not at all moving my hand. See north and north. Can you see the paper is moving? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Getting moved, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, what did you understand? It's getting repelled. It's not coming to the contact of another magnet. So what were the poles in this? Sanskruti, which poles did I make it nearer?
Ma'am, the poles north poles were there.
They were
Like
both the side
poles.
north poles, right? They were like. Same the dono poles, they are same, right? They are same poles. So the same poles are called as an like poles. Understood? The same poles are called as an like poles, but like poles, they never get attracted. Like poles, they never get attracted. They always keep on repelling. Okay, if I leave it alone, if I just put it like this, see here. Can you see the magnet? It repelled. See here, I'm making it to stand here. See here. Yes, it's not getting attracted, but like poles get attracted. Hope the concept is clear here, right? I would like to repeat it again. The first of all, we saw two types of magnets, artificial magnet and natural magnet. Artificial magnets are of types, different types. Yes. So can we go with Anushka? Can you please tell the different types of magnets? Yes, Anushka.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Okay, I'll repeat my question, my dear child. Can you tell what are the different types of magnets?
Ma'am, there are two different types of magnet.
I'm asking
Artificial
you,
magnet.
I'm asking you, what are the different kinds of artificial magnets? Name them. Name the different shapes or different types of artificial magnet.
Horseshoe magnet and
Okay.
bar magnet.
Very good. Horseshoe magnet, bar magnet. Okay, fine. Very good. Still, Smith can tell. Good, Anushka.
Yes, ma'am. There are.
One more I have said you. I hope you remember the exercises and other things, right? I've used the word. What is that, Smith?
Dumbbell
Magnet?
magnet.
Dumbbell shaped magnet, or otherwise
Bar
called as what?
magnet.
Laksh. Dumbbell shaped,
Ball-ended.
or otherwise called as an
Ball-ended magnet.
ball-ended magnet. Good. So it is called as ball-ended magnet. Fine. We have seen the few properties. Okay. One by one, let's go. Let's go with Raghunandan. Raghunandan, can you tell one property of a magnet what we have seen?
Ma'am, attraction.
Attraction. Very good. In this means you can tell in a full sentence. Magnets can attract the substances which are called as magnetic substance. Very good. Good. Attraction is one property. Very good. Next, Arya Kadam. Arya Kadam. I hope
Yes,
can
ma'am.
be given to each other. Isn't it? Huh.
Ma'am, repulsion.
Repulsion. Very good. What do you mean by repulsion? Means they move away from each other.
Ma'am means
Repulsion is
the
nothing but moving
objects
away
repel from the magnet.
magnet. Okay. Tirtha Chaugale. Tirtha Chaugale.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you please tell me how many poles are there for a magnet?
Ma'am, there are two poles for a magnet, so South Pole and North Pole.
Very good. South Pole and North Pole. Very good, dear children. I hope you people have understood very clearly. Now, as a demonstration, I have showed you, right? Now, who will explain me? Can I go with Shravani? How can you determine the direction? By demonstrating using a bar magnet. Can you please explain it with the method I wanted, dear children? Okay, just recall right from the stand what we have used it. Okay, you have to recall from it and you have to demonstrate it. Let it be very short, no problem. Chalo, in your own words, I wanted. It will help you try to write you the brief questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
First method is we can take any
Shravani, I'm sorry you're not audible properly. Can you, please check your volume.
Hello, ma'am. Now it is audible.
Okay. Can I move with Arya? Can I move with Arya Pawar? Shravani?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't
Take a
worry, I'll
bar
get back to you, my
magnet.
dear child. Yes, Arya Pawar, can you please explain?
Hang a bar magnet to the rope and hold it. Rotate
Okay.
the magnet. The north pole indicates the north side and south pole indicates the south side.
Okay, very good. So when you tie the bar magnet with a thread, okay, at the beginning, make sure you have to mention where is north and where is south. And when you start disturbing it, after a few minutes, when it comes back to its rest position, again, it shows the north pole and the south pole as it was there in the beginning. Okay. Yes. Now, yes, Laksh wants to ask any doubt. Yes, my dear. He was about to say something.
No, ma'am. I raised a hand for answer.
Okay, okay, fine. So attraction of ripple, this one. Now a small activity. Okay, Laksh will tell. Laksh,
Yes, ma'am.
two poles, that is North Pole and South Pole, isn't it? But when we say it is North Pole and North Pole, what is the name given to those poles? What kind of name is given there? Are they the like poles? What, or they are called as unlike poles?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Okay. See, dear, when there are two different poles, I said, right? Now, I have considered both the magnet of North and North Pole. So, what are those called as in?
Like poles.
North and North, they are called as in like poles. So, what kind of property do you find when the North and North Pole comes to closer to each other?
Repulsion. Repulsion.
Repulsion. There will be no attraction power.
Repulsion.
Okay, very good. Repulsion. Sayan beta. Sayan beta. Yes. So where does the attraction happens then? Which poles will attract each other? Which poles will attract each other? Laksh, very good. Yes. Sayan. I hope I'm audible, Sayan, my dear child. Which kind of poles get attracted each other? So be attentive, my dear child. Okay. Let's move with Shrenik. Shrenik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you
So-
can repeat question again.
That's the reason. Be attentive. Okay. Which kind of poles attract each other?
North and south.
What does it called as? We have given the name for it.
Unlike poles.
Unlike poles. So unlike poles attract each other. So it can be in south, north, south, isn't it? So you have to tell it like unlike poles attract each other, like poles repel each other. So this becomes in property. Yes. So property we can say it as pole, magnet has two poles. Can anyone summarize the properties? Yes, at least 3 points. Let me know. Okay, we'll go with Tirtha Parekh. Good. I want the properties of magnets. You can go with 3 points at least. Yeah, right? Huh.
No, ma'am, I raised hand for last
It's
answer.
okay. No problem. No problem. At least one property you can say now. Isn't it?
Ma'am, now it's coming right.
Ha, Shravani beta. Yes, you can. Yes, Shravani.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Magnet has two poles, south pole and north pole.
Very good. So she has said that magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. Very good. Second property. I'm sorry, it's not clear. I hope you're not having a good range. Srinidhi, can you please go with the second point?
Yes, ma'am. The attraction power is more at the poles. And the third
Very good,
point
very
is,
good. Attraction power is more at the poles.
and the magnet has attraction power and repulsion power.
Okay, very good. Repulsion. Okay, fine. Laksh beta, one more property.
Yes, magnetic poles always exist in pairs.
Exists in pairs. Okay, good. So wonderful, dear children. You people have given good answers. Make sure, dear kids, now the topic which was taught to you, right? You will be getting as a link in your notification, right? You all have to watch the video very properly. The video will be of 5 minutes or it may be of 4 minutes. You have to watch the video very properly. Few questions will be asked related to the video tomorrow. It should not happen that we have sent the video and you people have just kept it. No, I have been prepared with the questions of that particular video. So today the link will be given to you in school app notification. Please watch the video very thoroughly, very properly. And if you people are able to make the questions out of it, it's well and good. We'll ask each other in the class. So that means that you have watched the video, you have understood it. If you are able to prepare the question, right? If you are doing it, well and good. And even I am ready with the questions. So I'll be asking the questions related to the video. Okay, fine. Now last few minutes are being left. I would like to give some instructions like regarding notebook completion. I have sent you the PDF. Yes. And there are few practical based questions. Please make sure that you people are completing the notebook in time. If you are not able to complete it, kindly let me know where you are facing the problem, why it is late, so that as per to that, I'll give you the time. But make sure you people are completing the notebooks in time. It should not be a burden for you because later on we'll be having the revisions, right? So start completing your notebooks. And once you complete it, send it. Everybody should make the index. I'll really appreciate few kids who have, there are 3 to 4 kids like Srinidhi is there, Arya Pawar is there. Okay. So there are few kids who have intimated me about the index. They have done with the index. Very good. So please complete the index also. Getting clear, everyone?
Hello, ma'am.
Just
Hello,
a
ma'am.
minute. Is it that Bhavi is raising the hand? Yes, Bhavi, beta. Hello. I hope you people have got stuck.